You ready? I'm ready. Oh my goodness. This place is off the hook.
What if I told you that one juice could help you feel more grounded, stable, and confident in your body? This deep red root chakra juice is packed with beets, strawberries, ginger, and apple. Ingredients that don't just taste amazing, but actually help balance your energy from the ground up. Stay tuned to the end for a powerful breathwork practice to activate your root chakra while you sip. The root chakra, or Muladhara, is your foundation. It's what keeps you feeling safe, secure, and strong. When it's balanced, you move through life with confidence and ease. But when it's blocked, you might feel anxious, ungrounded, or like you're constantly struggling to find stability. That's why we're using these powerhouse ingredients today. Beets are a root vegetable, literally growing deep in the earth, which symbolizes grounding and stability. They boost blood flow, increase endurance, and detoxify the liver, all while fueling your root chakra energy. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, helping with cellular repair, so your body feels strong and supported from the inside out. Ginger stimulates digestion and fires up your inner energy, helping clear any sluggishness or blockages in your lower chakras. Apples provide fiber for gut health, and a healthy gut equals a strong foundation for mental and emotional well-being. A splash of lemon adds alkalinity to the body, flushing out toxins that might be keeping you feeling stuck. Each sip of this juice is going to realign your energy, restore your confidence, and bring you back to center. We are keeping this super simple. Grab your ingredients and let's go. Start by juicing the beets first, since they're the densest. Then add in your strawberries, apple, and ginger. Fresh lemon for a bright kick and to help clean your juicer. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can blend everything with a little water and strain it through a nut milk bag for a smooth finish. Want to tweak this recipe to your taste? Here are a few easy swaps. This juice is completely customizable, so make it work for you. Let's do a quick chakra check-in. Take a moment, close your eyes, and ask yourself, do I feel safe, stable, and supported in my life right now? If the answer isn't a confident yes, don't worry. Take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling your body connect to the earth beneath you. Hold that breath for 3 seconds. Now, exhale slowly, releasing any tension, fear, or uncertainty. Inhale. Visualize deep red energy flowing from the base of your spine into the ground, rooting you in strength. I know y'all love to ask questions about juicing, so let's go over some common ones. If you have any other juicing questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be answering them throughout the day. Here's my challenge for you. Drink this root chakra juice for the next 3 days and see how you feel. Do you notice more energy, less anxiety, a deeper sense of security? Comment below and share your experience. And if you love this, make sure to hit that like button so we can keep this juicing series going. Want to take your healing to the next level? My 7-day juice cleanse, Chakra edition, is dropping soon. Designed to realign your entire body and mind through the power of plant-based juices. Grab your 3-day pre-cleanse guide right now. The link is in the description. High vibrations, stay rooted, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm strong enough to shake it, and I'm